Hi children, good morning. Third class, Maths, page 84. Today we are going to learn about the closed plane figures, which are also called as the polygons. Okay, these are all closed plane figures. So this is the first one is a triangle. In a triangle, how many sides will be, Nana? 3 sides. Side PQ, QR and PR. These are 3 sides. And it has 3 corners, and see the 2 rays are meeting at a point. This forms a angle. Now how many angles are there? 3 angles. Angle P, angle Q and angle R. Otherwise we can also write as angle Q, P, R, angle P, R, Q. Otherwise angle P, Q, R. Okay. And these sides of the triangle are denoted by the capital letters. Okay. Now about the square. See, in a square how many sides are there? 4 sides and 4 line segments. AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the 4 line segments, and we have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay. Otherwise we can also write it as angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA. Okay. And one more thing, in square all 4 sides will be equal, Nana. See, AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, and it is equal to DA. Okay. And it are denoted by capital letters. Now rectangle. In a rectangle it has 4 sides, but opposite sides will be equal. These 2 sides will be equal and these 2 sides will be equal, and it has 4 sides, 4 corners and 4 angles. Angle P, angle O, angle N and angle M. Okay, and when you observe here, all these angles will be same. See, angle ఎప్పుడైనా straight line లో ఉంటే అది 90 degrees నానా. Okay, in the square also all angles will be in 90 degrees. The length of the outer boundary of a square or rectangle or triangle is called perimeter. What is perimeter? The length is square, rectangle di కానీ, square di కానీ, triangle కానీ, ఈ అన్ని sides boundary ఉంటాయి చూడండి. That is called as a perimeter. This boundary is called as a perimeter. Now about a circle. See, in a circle we don't have any line segments, no corners and no angles. It has only a center. It has only a center, and the curved line, this is called as the circumference. The outer boundary of the circle is called as a circumference. Understood, children? Now next page. How can we find the perimeter? See, this is a square, and what we have learned, all the sides of a square will be equal. See, BC is 6 centimeters, then CD will be also same 6 centimeters. Then this DA also will be same 6 centimeters, and AB also will be 6 centimeters. So now what is perimeter? The boundary of the figure, it is called as a perimeter. Now perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6. Why? Because all sides are equal. So when you add, what you will get? 24 centimeters. So in this way we can find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Now perimeter of a triangle also same. But here the PQ length is 5 centimeters, PR is 6 centimeters and QR is 4 centimeters. You add all these, 6 plus 4 plus 5, 15 centimeters. In the perimeter of a rectangle, see, in rectangle only opposite sides will be equal. All sides equal ga undavu. Opposite sides matrame equal ga untayi. Ikkada chudandi, FE CD 7 centimeters, FC ED ఎంత 3 centimeters. ఇప్పుడు perimeter ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం? This total boundary, that means 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3, like this. Then it becomes 20. So based on this only we have some problems here. Find the perimeter of the given plane figures using the data given. Here what are the sides of a triangle here? AB, AC and CB. Okay, what is the length of AB? 3 centimeters. Okay, plus AC 4 centimeters. This you can write as BC also, no problem. BC is 7 centimeters. Okay, 3 plus 4 plus 7. How much? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 centimeters. Now next figure is a, what it is, a square or rectangle? See, all sides are equal, no? So it is a square. So one side is given 4 centimeters and the remaining sides also will be 4 centimeters. Okay, PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So when you add all these 4s, you will get 16 centimeters. Okay, Nana? Now this is a figure of a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides will be same. So this is 8 centimeters means this also will be 8 centimeters. And these opposite sides will be equal. If it is 5 centimeters, then it is also 5 centimeters. See, EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. What is EF? 8. What is, how much is FG? 5. How much is GH? 8. How much is HE? 5. So when you add all this, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 5, 26 centimeters. Now next perimeter of this triangle we have to find. Now what are the sides, Nana? PQ, this is PQ, and PR and QR. What is the length of PQ? 6 centimeters. Plus what is the length of PR? 6 centimeters. And what is the length of QR? 7 centimeters. Now when you add all this, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19 centimeters. Okay, beta? In the next page, if your rectangular garden has length 80 meters and width 30 meters, what would be its perimeter? See, if the garden is in rectangle shape, see, length is 80 meters and breadth is 30 meters. What is its perimeter? See, for example, it is A, B, C and D. Now, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So opposite sides are equal, no? What is AB? 80. What is BC? 30. What is CD? 80 plus, and DA is 30 meters. Okay? 30 meters, 80 meters. Now when you add, how much you will get? See, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. So 0 you have to add it. 220 meters. If you had a carom board of side 2 meter, then find the perimeter of the carom board. Okay, carom board will be in square shape. So what will be the perimeter? What is the side given? 2 meters. Each side is 2 meter. Opposite side enta undi nana? 2 meters. What you will do? 4 sides means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times. So it will be 8 meters. Now fill in the blanks. A line segment has 2 endpoints. A line can be extended on both sides. 2 rays meeting at a point form an angle. Now using a ruler measure the line segments. Scale తో వీటి లెంత్ ఎంత ఉందో మెజర్ చేయండి నాన్న. 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి మెజరింగ్. ఓకే. Now next page, name the angles formed in the given figure. So what are the angles here? angle P, angle Q, angle R. Okay, angle P, angle Q and angle R. And here angle P, angle A, angle R. This is the angle symbol Nana. Angle R, angle T, angle S. And here, so this you can write as angle R, angle T, angle angle RAT, angle TAP, angle PAC, angle CAR. Now next bit, find the perimeter of. So it is a square, no Nana, all sides of the square are equal. 5 plus 5 plus 5, when you add 4 times 5, how much you will get? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 centimeters. Okay. Now next bit, second question, perimeter means you should add all this. Okay, PQ plus RS plus ST plus TU plus UP. 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5. How much you will get? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Plus 5, 22. 22 centimeters. Now this is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. 7 centimeters. And this will be 2 centimeters. 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 centimeters. Okay children. Now in the next page, 91. So this is the activity you can do on your own in page number 90. This page number 91 is about the patterns. See, observe and continue the following patterns. Shapes are figures that are arranged in definite order, repeated over and over again, make a geometrical pattern. Okay, see this, how we are drawing in this way. So how will you continue? Next emuntundi ikkada, same ilane continue. This pattern will be continued like this. And this one, see, a straight line, then up like this, no? So in the same way, the next one also will be continued in this same pattern. Okay children, observe and complete the given patterns by drawing 2 more. So observe here, this is in this direction, this is in upward direction, again side, again what it will be? Up, then to the side. Now next one, here it is facing upwards, it is facing downwards, again upwards, again downwards, then upwards. Okay. Now complete the table by observing the given patterns. See, one rectangle, one box, here it is 2 rectangle boxes, 1 rectangle box, then 2 boxes will be. Okay, then 1 box, then 2 boxes. And here you can see it is divided into half in this direction. This square is divided in this direction, and the slanting line is in this direction here. And here how it will be? In this direction. Again in this direction and in this direction. Okay children, this is our geometry chapter. With this we complete this chapter. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter. Okay children, complete all this. Have a nice day.